When you are starting a business or becoming an entrepreneur, you're venturing into the wilds of the business world on your own unique journey. It can help to have a little guidance along the way. And that's what the Entrepreneurial Operating System, also known as EOS, is all about. So what is EOS? It's a set of concepts and business tools to help businesses manage operations more efficiently and effectively. It was created by Gino Wickman and outlined in his book, Traction, Get a Grip on Your Business. The book has gone on to sell over 1 million copies, and EOS has been adopted by tens of thousands of businesses. We use it here at Hivehouse Digital, and it helps us do everything from running meetings to connecting with clients. So how does it work? As the name implies, EOS is typically used by smaller businesses in the ballpark of 50 to 250 employees. One of the major issues it addresses is the feeling of business growth hitting a wall or plateauing. To resolve this, EOS focuses on 3 core components. Vision, which refers to getting everyone in your organization on the same page. Traction is all about instilling focus, discipline, and accountability throughout your company. And healthy is all about helping your leaders become a more cohesive team. You can think of these core components as the areas of your business that you're trying to improve. EOS then utilizes 6 key components to help you instill these core components into your organization. Vision, which is clearly defining and communicating your company's vision to ensure that everyone is aligned. People is all about finding the right person for the right seat. Data is about focusing on running the business on objective information rather than subjective feelings. Issues is about identifying, discussing, and solving issues as they arise. Process is about documenting and systematizing the core processes of the business to ensure consistency and scalability. And finally, traction is about execution and accountability. So why use EOS? Looking from the outside in, you might be thinking that EOS sounds a lot like other business help systems found in books or webinars. In practice, though, EOS works a little bit differently. It's not a set of rigid rules you have to conform your business to. It's more like a set of guidelines that fits to how your business works and the people in it. It all starts with defining your business's core values. Like a lot of features in EOS, core values aren't a revolutionary idea. Instead, it's a practical, logical element of any serious business. By identifying your company's core values, you're creating a foundation for the culture you want to cultivate. Here at Hivehouse, our core values are fearless, accountable, collaborative, transparent, and supportive. Once you've defined your company values, the next step is to start developing a proven process, which is a repeatable method for providing your products or services presented visually. A proven process ensures that your entire company understands the steps required to deliver the level of service or product your company and customers expect. Check out the link in the description to see ours. As you develop your core values and proven process, you'll think about today and the near future. With that said, for your company to experience true growth, it needs to set ambitious but realistic goals. That's where the 10-year target comes in. According to EOS, the 10-year target is the larger-than-life goal that everyone is working towards and is the ultimate goal of the business. It has to be specific and measurable and must ignite passion, excitement, and energy for every single person within the organization. Now, how do we incorporate EOS into your website? First, you want to evaluate your current website. Understand where your website stands in relation to EOS. Does the content align with your goals and 10-year target? Are you incorporating your proven process or core values into content? Would another EOS company be able to quickly identify your company as a fellow EOS business? We've gained many of our clients due to the fact that we operate on EOS, so it's definitely something to consider making sure that it is on your website. Starting with core values, place them on your About Us page or a similar company page. Beyond that, your core values should be woven into the appropriate content. For example, at Hivehouse, our core value of transparency is mentioned on our pricing page. Why? Unlike other agencies, we put our pricing right on our website. A couple of other ways to showcase your core values is to write blogs or articles that exemplify them. This can then be extended to social media, and incorporating customer testimonials is a great way of core value social proof. Similar to core values, your proven process can be incorporated into your website in a few easy ways. For every service you provide, illustrate it via your proven process. How does each phase of your proven process apply to each service or how your products are manufactured? A proven process that's true to your company should really shine in this area. Showcasing your people. So much of EOS is about finding the right people and putting them in the positions to succeed. Your About Us page is a way to highlight those people, discuss what each person brings to their role, and let the best qualities show through. Your 10-year target can be shared via your About Us page or vision page. This helps prospective employees or customers understand where your company is headed and shows that your company isn't focused on short-term gains, but on creating something more meaningful and lasting. Supercharge your website with an EOS company. As an EOS-powered digital marketing agency, we understand how to seamlessly weave EOS into your website, empowering your employees and attracting EOS clients and job applicants. From design services that'll make your proven process pop to content writing that'll describe your core values to a T, Hivehouse has got what you need. Contact us today to get started.